Hey everyone, this is Steve. I'm going to show you some of the information about the Metatrox Hackintosh build and do a couple benchmarks. So let's get right into it. Here you can see it is showing up as 3.5 gigahertz Intel Core i7. That is correct. I am not currently overclocking it, although it is the 3770K model. So eventually I'll overclock it once I get a cooler for it. Memory, we are running at 16 gigabytes of DDR3, and our startup disk is an SSD OCZ 120 gigabyte drive. A little bit more here. Definitions are showing up as a Mac Pro. I chose the 3-1. And we also see here the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 670 graphics card. So hopefully that'll help us out a little bit in the CineBench. So, and also we are running OS X 10.8.2. So let's go ahead and start with GeekBench here. Bear in mind these might be a little bit slower than normal because I am running screen recording software in the background. I may do another one without it just to see how much of a difference we show. So let's give it a run. All right, let's close this out here. So we're showing a 12965. Like I said, that's kind of it's gonna be on the low end, mainly because of the screen recording, and like I said, also the ever since I changed definition to the 3.1, it's been not quite as good by at least 1,000 or more. So I may end up switching back. I'm not too sure. And there's some other general information there. Let's go ahead and close this out, and let's run a CineBench. Alright, let's go ahead and run the OpenGL. So based on this, OpenGL is 38.24 frames per second. This particular machine looks like it's ranked about third in that class area there. So not too bad, I guess. It could definitely be a little bit better, especially with that graphics card in there. It's pretty good, but not too bad, and we'll see how the CPU runs now. Okay, so there we go with a 7.29 points on the CPU. Again, ranked, looks like fourth this time in that general area. Looks pretty good, but not too bad. So this has just been a quick little benchmark of everything that I've done so far. Hey everyone, this is Steve again. We're just going to go ahead and run these benchmarks again on the iMac 2-2 definitions and see if we get anything different here. So let's go ahead and do GeekBench first and see what we come up with. Alright, so it looks like pretty much the same performance, 12987 on the GeekBench, very similar to what the other one was, so that doesn't seem to be much of a change at all there. Let's go ahead and try the CineBench and see what we get out of this. That finished there. We got OpenGL at 38.72 frames per second. And let's go ahead and run the CPU test also. So 7.27 points on that Let me go ahead and perform a quick Blackmagic Design disk speed test, and you guys can see for yourself what we're looking at here. I'm going to select the drive. We are going to select the SSD drive, and I believe we have to go in here like this, let it right, and let's do the start. So write speed, as I said, anywhere between 1 and 120 is what I've been getting. The read speed goes a little bit higher, close to 200, 180 or so. And same thing on the write again, or the, yeah, write again. So let's run a quick test on the other drive. This is my media drive, 2 terabytes. Choose that, and look at that. The write speed, I'm getting outperforming the SSD by 30 to 40 points, and the read speed of course is about the same as the SSD. So I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not running any sort of fusion drive or anything of that sort, so we'll figure out, and I'll post again later once I know. Alright guys, thanks.